Good morning to the faculty that are watching this course flex video for LDR 198. It has been a pleasure to be in LDR for this first semester. My name is Matt Bergevin. I'm obviously a freshman here at Concordia. I have my baseball glove with me. I will set that down. I'm from Tempe, Arizona, which is the home of the Arizona State Sun Devils. And so, I grew up around that, and so coming to Concordia has been quite a change culturally, and just in a lot of ways it's been completely different from the college that I've been used to growing up. So as we come to the end of the first semester of this new college, course reflection is required of me, so I will do my best to try and give an accurate representation of the course. So first prompt is considering your experience so far, what does it mean to be a part of the CU community? To put it short, it means a lot. Frankly, you get a different type of community here than you would at any other place. Like I said, I grew up around Arizona State, and all my friends go to ASU and people that I've grown up with, and they say, it's great, but when there's 80,000 kids, it's like it's kind of hard to find that common thread, that common bond between that many people. And so, Concordia is very small. It's it's a small little campus tucked away, and I think that makes it easier for the school to have one general identity, and one sense of unity to be a part of the community. That rhyme, that was really good. I'm a poet and I don't know it. So that's really good, to have that. I think it really helps. The college experience, I think, really helps, when you try to find, new friends, new people to talk to, and all of that. So it really, it means a lot because it's really been a really good experience so far. It's been really exciting. And it's been an experience that I wouldn't trade for anything else. I think, people talk about going to other schools or whatnot, and it's like, no, this is where I want to be. The community is great, the people are great, and I really enjoy it. So academically, this is obviously a very difficult place to be. I know, again, to bring up ASU, some of my friends play football there and basketball and baseball there, and the class they all take is geology 101, also known as Rocks for Jocks, where half of them don't even show up and they get the A in the course. Concordia obviously does not have that. You have to go to school, you have to learn, you have to do well in classes, pass tests, all that. And so it makes me proud to be a Cavalier, and to go to this school, because I know that I'm getting a really good education. I know that I'm getting prepared for the next stage of life. And that's what college is about at the end of the day. You can play sports, you can do extracurriculars and whatnot, but if you're not prepared for the next step in life, then college didn't do its job. And I feel like Concordia is really doing its job in terms of preparing me for what's next. And again, that is the goal at the end of the day. So I do feel really proud, to be a part of this, especially academically. And what advice would I share with myself at the start of the semester? Decorate your room early, because it's good to kind of give a plain dorm room some sense of like uniqueness in yourself. So I think that's important. Get enough sleep. You got to get enough sleep, even if you're not quite prepared for a test. Just get the sleep. It'll help more than cramming. Invest in long pants. Arizona doesn't get cold, so basketball shorts are usually good to go. So invest in long pants. You need to do that because Portland's cold. And I think the final thing would probably be, do new things, meet new people, and, and just try to enjoy every second, because, it's only one semester of 8, but this first semester absolutely flew by. It's over in a minute. So, you have to go out there, you have to experience college and experience, the new surroundings and everything. So, do that, and, have a really good time with it, because college at the end of the day, especially away from home, you're supposed to have a good time. There's time for school, there's time for sports, but you need to go out there and experience it a little bit. So that's the advice I'd give myself, and hopefully myself would listen. So there you go. So yeah, that's the video. Hopefully that was enjoyable, and it was everything that you guys had required. So have a great break, and I will see you next January.